Today, we're tackling a common question for Amazon sellers. Does deleting all of your listings actually help with reinstatement? Let's find out. And the first short answer is no. So do not delete all of your listings. It could signal evasion to Amazon and complicate appeals. So right here again, no, do not delete all of your listings. It could cause issue. Imagine if you just randomly delete all of your listings and say, Amazon, we fixed it, we deleted all their listings. They're going to be like scratching their head. First off, doesn't look too good. Second off, why would you delete all of your listings? Now, you should delete specific listings that were flagged in the actual suspension notice, especially if it's counterfeit, policy violations, right? So I have like a little list right here on when to delete them. So when to delete, there's specific listings that are flagged in the suspension notice. So an example is anything that's counterfeit or policy violation, explaining to Amazon that you deleted those problematic listings and you're trying to show compliance to Amazon's policies. But of course, it has to be paired with a plan of action with your appeal. If the counterfeit is still real, you can always still say to Amazon you decided to delete it because it's a problematic listing. Even though you do have the official invoices, you don't want to be put in this position again, which somebody would understand. You don't want to be put in a position even though you're selling a real product. Another option is when to delete them is discontinuing problematic or old listings. Sometimes old listings look like they're being evaded because they have random keywords or somebody hijacks them, right? Problematic listings might be supplements. When you have these listings, of course, it's a good opportunity to delete them, right? So if they're problematic, so when you're permanently stopping sales of a specific product that's non-compliant, discontinued by your supplier, or if there's a product that's repeatedly flagged like a supplement, it's a great time to delete and clean up your inventory. That supports your plan of action, showing that you're addressing issues, but it's not a fix for the account, but it still shows that you're doing something, you're being proactive to make sure this doesn't occur again. So deleting specific listings does help. Deleting all of your listings just randomly for no reason does not help. And you do need a good plan of action that admits the issue, details the fixes, and prevents reoccurrence. Of course, if it's an error, you can also say that it's an error and you wouldn't admit the issue, but keep that all in mind. Reinstatement takes time, dedication, and you need to show Amazon that you are being proactive, you are being perspicacious, and you're being perseverant. The 3 Ps. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help in your Amazon journey. And if you need any help with Amazon or reinstatement, the link's right in our description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.